Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast ingin mengucapkan Kotobian Tadau Tagayo Dok Keamatan.
Ya, podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Zat Minuman Botani formulasi terkini. Diperkayakan dengan pelbagai khasiat, Zat Minuman Botani pasti akan membantu anda kekal aktif dan meningkatkan kecergasan dalam melakukan rutin harian anda. Zat Minuman Botani sesuai untuk seisi keluarga anda.
Price for Zat is RM65 per bottle. RM5 discount anda boleh dapat menggunakan kod Kinabalu semasa check out.
Ya.
Macam Yoda pula. Star Wars.
Yoda. Kod Kinabalu for discount.
Sorry.
Ataupun Darth Vader.
www.mylaststudent.com.my
Transformer.
Untuk membeli sekarang.
Yes.
Betul-betul lah. FB atau IG mereka, ikuti FB atau IG mereka di @zat.sehat. Order melalui WhatsApp mereka di 0175123401. Saya ulangi 0175123401.
Pangkis. Hoi. Yo, what up people, saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.
Legit. Sorry.
Bertemu kita di season 12 episode yang pertama ini, di third part ini.
Ya.
Kami mau bercerita tentang kami punya excitement yang kami akan pergi ke Raja Razi punya show.
Ya.
Dan courtesy lah kepada we should do on the next part sebenarnya kita akan podcast di sana, dan kita akan courtesy whoever yang kasih fund us lah juga
Yes,
pergi Singapore.
You know when you listen to the new episodes.
Yes, but at the same time we want to say thank you to Raja Razi because he said no need to buy the ticket. Yeah, so he settled the tickets for us.
Thank you,
so much. But
Thank you so much, Blood.
Yeah. At the same time, should be 3 of us actually pergi.
Yeah.
Cuman
actually,
producer dah dapat join sekali because of taking care of the daughter.
you have to give
Yeah.
a lot of credit to our producer, man.
Yeah,
She,
man.
you know, like I think a lot of our outstation events kan, yang kita jumpa artis and all that, right? She sacrificed
Yeah.
her attendance, man.
Yeah.
She have to take care of Nana and all that.
Padahal she can be in the excitement as well, right?
Yeah.
But it's okay. Nanti kalau dia Nana sudah besar-besar sikit, kan, sudah faham-faham sikit. What are you doing, mommy? Podcast. Okay, you know.
I'll do my homework.
Can I join you guys? I want to be a podcaster. The youngest podcaster.
The youngin.
The youngin. The Gen. Apa sudah? Saya dapat Gen Z apa? Gen AI lah kan?
That
Kan?
could be it, man.
Could be it, man. Because
Gen
dia start A
AI.
juga balik.
Gen
Tapi-
A.
Gen I.
Gen.
Ang I mong Q. Ay.
What the fuck is that?
Au mo Q lah kira.
Oh, okay.
Well, anyway, kita sangat excited mau pergi Singapore ni. Kalau kamu sempat dengar ni sebelum kami sampai Singapore, which is, kita di Singapore sudah ni episode keluar.
Alamak,
Yeah.
sorry.
It's okay.
What is that?
Apa itu, Ken?
That was the one yang I wanted to show
Okay,
you.
hold on.
Okay.
So this episode kan kita keluar on weekend kita punya podcast. So this episode gonna come out this Sunday.
Yeah.
And kita we wrote to few big orang bilang department juga to help us juga sebenarnya, tapi yalah, this is not an easy ABC.
Yeah.
This is still not rocket science, but there's a procedures and everything, and we do understand that juga. Hopefully we can work with the tourism juga lah in the
tourism
future, because I think we generate revenue juga in terms of tourism di Sabah.
Yeah, I think we did, man.
And it's a good thing kalau audio content boleh bawa ke arah itu. Dan memang banyak orang buat video pasal travelling di Sabah, dan memang saya percaya juga diorang rujuk juga itu bila orang mau turun, mana mau pergi apa semua kan. At the same time, kita dari segi audio content pun sangat bagus jugalah dari konten dari segi audio yang very structured for you to use as a reference for you guys coming down.
True. Yeah.
And achievement yang we did sangat-sangat bagi kami berbangga lah dapat memperkenalkan Sabah di mata dunia,
Yeah.
especially our listeners outside. Actually kita ada Indonesia juga datang. Indonesia pun pernah kita
Oh yeah.
yeah kan? Indonesia last time.
ada. Yeah.
So kalau 10 trips we assisted more than 10 trips, almost 15 trips actually.
That's a lot of money there.
Yeah, kalau one trip ada yang 5, minimum of 6 of them. Kalau we assisted them begitu, in total packs ada groups pun sudah ada satu kali 30 lebih orang.
Yeah,
I
trying
think
to do
more
the
than
maths lah.
more than 100 over packs sudah we
Yeah.
brought down sini. We bagi banyak revenue to tourism Malaysia. Bukan bilang kita mau claim, but I think
It is what it
we
is,
can
man.
work more. We can do better with the help lah.
That's true.
Of the tourism board lah.
That's true, man.
Yeah.
That's true, man. We are aiming on a specific punya demographics, and you have to admit,
Yeah.
kita punya podcast, even though it is lack of listeners in Sabah, but actually there's a lot of people listening out there.
Yeah. The Sabahan living abroad and people outside Sabah, and especially the culture yang listening to podcast.
That's true.
Especially Singapore punya listening punya podcast sangat-sangat jauh beza dia dengan Malaysia, because diorang sudah, as I said, they are very opportunists. They don't wanna diorang tidak mau buang masa, but they don't wanna
You want to make use of all of
everything
the time that they have, man.
and they want to do multitasking. So by doing so, multitasking, kau nak boleh tengok YouTube, kau nak boleh tengok kan all the time. So while doing something like doing Grab, doing or whatever it is lah, probably Foodpanda or apa-apalah kan.
Sambil
Diorang
dengar
boleh-
podcast.
Ya, sambil dengar podcast.
That's true. Yeah.
So bila dong culture sudah begitu, this is where they put on dreams like, oh Sabah like this Sabah dari saya kumpul 1,000 saya boleh bawa my wife to go down there, beli flight saja, and kami beli luxury sudah kan. And Sabah is like macam Baki Zainal cakap, Baki told us yang dia bilang this is the Hawaii of Malaysia. Hawaii,
true.
So kalau orang datang beberapa minit saja kau boleh sampai the corals and the islands and many more interesting places, the floral and fauna,
Yeah.
the mountain,
It's true. It's like it's not far away.
The culture is also different from in Semenanjung, Malaysia. You feel really like outside. You feel like macam kau half Philippines, kau half Indonesian at the same time. It's the Borneo, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a culture mixing part of Asia. Definitely.
So bagi saya, what we're doing is
Bringing in a lot of people here.
satu orang bilang program ataupun aktiviti yang murni lah.
Kira.
Ya. Dalam bahasa Melayu baiknya adalah murni lah.
Murnilah, bukan charity lah.
Ya. Macam tolonglah, bantulah kami. Bantulah kami.
Nina kami buat, tolonglah.
Kami generate banyak revenue ni.
Kami nak buat lagi ni. Kalau kau nak tolong na, what the hell, man?
So hi Sabah Tourism Board. This specific podcast by the tajuk pun is for you guys. And
okay.
this is how we roll, okay?
Yeah,
this is how we roll. I think this is one of the way we can actually present ourselves. Beside belum kena panggil lah. Kalau kena panggil sudah to present, we can do properly for sure.
That's true. That's true.
My name is Ricardo. My background is into events and artistic creative content creator.
Kira memperkenalkan diri lah.
Yeah. We both teachers lah. Di sini kita kasih tahu lah kita teachers kan.
Yeah, kita teachers
But
lah.
as well at the back kita ada banyak experience on traveling and also doing artistic job.
Content
dan
creating.
Kenny, kenalkan diri kau, Ken?
I am Kenneth, actually. People
Yes.
call me Kenny.
Yeah.
And I do a lot of technical stuff. And I like broadcasting as well. So I recently got into these few years I got into podcasting, and I think I love talking.
Yeah.
Even though I'm an introvert. So I think we bring a lot of value
Yeah.
on the table.
Yep.
And it is waiting for you to grab the whole tray.
Yes, before other people grab lah.
Yeah.
kira macam paksa.
Take it lah,
Are
please
you
lah.
really good? I man, well, we've sent our analytics, by the way. I think to have 24 24k streams is a lot. Memang ada banyak lagi yang.
Wait, 24k ya? I myself is shocked.
Itu kalau dia kira hours tau.
24k hours. That's
Streams,
24,000 hours, man.
Yes, kau bagi tahun pun dah dapat kejar loh. And also we have tidaklah banyak followers, 600 over followers on Spotify saja. We don't know from Apple Podcast and other podcast punya platform, but we have at least 100 to 120 packs listeners per week.
That's a lot, man.
That's a lot. Bukan, it's not easy. And also we still are maintaining and consistent on doing what we're doing. We also upgrade juga, upgrade semua banyak benda lah in terms of our system, our tools, our equipments, and how we present juga lah.
Yeah, and the content that we do as well.
Yes, correct. We call up a lot of people coming down to join us in the studio.
True.
Banyak juga this content membawa kepada orang, membawa kepada listeners, and bila bercakap sama dorang cakap pasal travelling juga, and bawa kepada balik kepada generating revenue to Sabah juga, because dorang jadikan itu sebagai reference dorang.
Yeah.
And also kita pernah cerita dengan Chavez from One Stop Borneo yang promoting Sabah daripada wildlife.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we talk about that juga. Dan daripada sana orang pun berminat mau pergi tengok elephants, the Bornean elephants.
True.
More call them up to join them to go see the flora and fauna, the forest di Sabah.
True, man.
And bagi, bukan itu saja, tapi bagi education juga. You know, this type of thing. Even though we probably talk cock, but kami berisi lah. We don't simply talk cock lah. Yeah. Bukan juga bilang podcast ni bila ini I think the real essence of podcast is not just talk cock lah.
Yeah.
Especially
True.
behind the mic, the person behind the mic, you need to know the background juga kan. Because kita ada banyak orang tengah booming up lah konon dia orang ni. Alah, kira mau macam mau marah.
Pok nama.
Nah lah. I mean, it is what it is. The more the merrier, but always have
do it right lah.
Do it right, because we've been through this, been there, done that. Dorang bilang.
Yeah.
And bila bercakap ingat macam shock sendiri. Last time we were like that juga last time.
We were.
But you know, at the end of the days we learn macam bodoh kita sendiri dengar kalau begini kan.
Actually.
So we started to have better content and create more and bringing more people in. And kita banyak juga yang I myself intrigued, and I myself macam excited to re-listen back juga podcast macam sama Komando, sama Brother Jas, you know, quit dia punya job and do programming and everything.
Yeah, because at the same time that we do this content, we invite all these people kan. Kita sendiri pun belajar juga. And then for me myself kan, I was shocked at the things that I don't know about Sabah.
Yeah.
Apalagi orang yang mendengar.
Yeah.
So we are bringing it as a medium to all of you.
Correct.
And that's right. We are bringing people in.
Yeah. And not just the previous episodes. Actually satu kali previous, betul nampak previous. Ini Melayu direct translation kah?
Semua previous.
Yeah. So from our previous episode lah. Bukan yang previous tapi yang coming juga, dan juga recent. Memang kita tengah fokus untuk fokus other people, the people outside Sabah to coming over Sabah to learn about Sabah, to study Sabah, to explore Sabah, to have their honeymoon in Sabah, to have their overlooking the stars in Kundasang, stargazing orang bilang, and also glamping there, to ride there, to alpaca there,
and you know glamping ada sudah di Keningau.
Ya, ada.
Gila.
Ya, this is the thing. Almost kita buka di Kota Marudu glamping, seriously.
Glamping di Mundan Hill.
Tak payahlah Mundan Hill yang kita punya siapa. We just clear an area, put it on the grass, like macam picnic areas, like for probably half an acre.
Yeah.
Begitu. And then we do glamping lah. Macam kita buat macam apa kenapa aku tahu?
Selaping glamping.
I don't mean apa-apa siapa kan.
Watch as the crocodile swim by in front of your glamp.
It doesn't have to be, you know, glamping, it doesn't have to be ada places of interest around you. Doesn't have to be like that, because the glamping itself is an interest.
It's an experience by itself.
Yeah.
Kan?
So kau tak perlu lah macam apa yang ada, apa anda perlu.
Kau simpan di sebelah majlis daerah loh.
Bagus kau ambil tidur di kereta lah kalau gitu. But yeah man, I mean bagus kita buat something juga. Kita pun kita very lack of tourism.
Yeah, actually.
Because banyak yang tidak kena explore dan tidak kena develop. Ada orang bilang yang bekas World War punya train track lah somewhere there, ada kan tu.
Oh ya,
somewhere,
ada di
orang
KM.
bilang apa ni World Heritage punya juga kena consider, tapi tidak kena kasih develop. Sayang, but we should concentrate juga to our place lah. But talking back to about Sabah in whole, Sabah ni Chavez pun dia cerita pasal wildlife kan. Kita ada macam, ada yang kita punya the dolphin sendiri. Ya, kita ada macam all these yang binatang tiada di luar daripada Sabah.
Ya.
Wow, saya pun terkejut. So ini bagi saya, bila orang start dengar, they wanted to go to Sabah, want to learn more, want to explore Sabah. I mean, kau mau pergi Afrika mahal, the safari night so mahal.
Betul, you come here berapa ringgit cak?
Yeah,
and you get to experience it. And then tiada lagi, ada lion ke sini? Tiada kan?
Tiada, ada di zoo. Probably ada di zoo, I don't know, but yeah.
Kau mau tengok gajah tapi without the dangers of the lions lah, the badak. We got badak sumbu.
Tapi singa kita ada kan? Singa hutan lah. Bukan singa, I mean harimau hutan.
Harimau hutan lah.
Harimau kumbang lah kita ada lah.
Ya.
Himalayan tiger kita ada kat sini?
We don't have lah. Himalayan lah kan.
Ya, tapi it's in Asia part. Sumatran kita ada kah?
Ada. If I'm not mistaken, macam ada.
Yang belang-belang tu, kuda harimau belang tu.
Macam, if I'm not mistaken.
I don't know. I never
Sekali
seen.
salah.
We don't know lah. Tapi we do a type of cats lah.
Sunbear.
So sunbear.
Kita ada sunbear sini.
Sunbear confirm ada. Itu ada. Type of tigers lah yang macam harimau kumbang, harimau dahan gitu ada lah. Itu confirm.
Ya, harimau oyen pun ada.
Harimau oyen pun ada. Harimau yang ada di tin pun ada.
Itu harimau bawah pokok kelapa.
Oh, underneath pokok kelapa. Iya, betul. Warna biru ke tu?
Ya.
Apa?
Silver with navy blue.
Silver tu tinggi sikit memang. Kau bodoh. Tahu lagi tu. Well, anyway, yeah. So begini, this is how we roll. Why? There's a lot of podcasts yang doing integration ataupun work closely together with the government punya sector. Not just in Malaysia, but in Singapore as well, in Indonesia, mana-mana. And also when you work with people that already memang established, tidak kira lah ada orang besar kah kecil kah, but that is how people start to get to know them by their originality begitu. Susah juga when you work with the government bilang kamu tak boleh cakap ini, kau tak boleh bercakap cara begini. It's gonna be suck. It's gonna be a problem because
tak boleh cakap L, tak boleh cakap ni.
All this fucked up shit lah. Kau tak boleh cakap apa semua. Ya. Because why? You know, people talk di kedai kopi begini. People talk at home begini. And if you wanna listen to educational podcast, go to other podcast lah. Kan?
We do street shit, man.
Yeah, we do street shit.
Kaki jalan yang maki kima.
Bully jogger punya kita punya. Bully jogger punya.
Bully jogger.
But susah kalau macam Ricardo, ni kami akan membayar kamu sebanyak 6,000 time kamu sebulan. Tapi kamu tidak boleh bercakap pak.
Slang dia.
Kamu tidak boleh bercakap pak, dan kamu juga tidak boleh pak you, and kamu tidak boleh cakap Pokima and all everything kan. So but susah juga. But we don't, bukan kita suka-suka juga lah. Bukan all the time kita maki kamu and everything. But and also kita punya podcast ni sudah it's under explicit lah, E lah, sudah categorized in E lah. So meaning to say memang 18 tahun ke atas. Dan our shit is not talking orang bilang pervert shit juga. Kita tidak, itu just a bahasa, just a language, just a orang bilang culture yang how people roll in house, di rumah, di mana-mana lah.
Yang kita speak ni casual bah.
Casual speaking. So I think if you sahabat tourism board dengar, they do understand. Of course, orang semua dengar, mau yang orang dengar podcast because of that. Bukan orang mau dengar yang
structured habis.
Baiklah untuk mengenali Sabah ini. Sabah ini adalah satu boring shit kan. So but tapi if you guys willing to do with us, why not? We are willing in open arms to accept it, especially our passion to promote Sabah yang kami sayangi dan cintai ini.
Yes, we are proud Sabahans and we want to spread it.
Even though kau half New Zealander kan kau, saya pula half American. Budak mana dah. But Sabah is always in our heart lah.
Yes, sir. Well, despite of all the kekurangan, tapi kita banyak kelebihan.
Betul.
I want to tell people about that.
Ambil lah kelebihan tu, jangan dikis kurang-kurang lah kekurangan tu.
Ya.
Ya.
Jadi ambillah kami.
Dia ambil lah kami 6,000 boleh kah? Well, the airtime kami punya rate adalah 6,000 per month. So it'll be in 4 episodes, which is episode ada 3 parts. So 4 kali 3 lebih kurang 12 kali lah. 12 part lah yang akan di-mention lah. Kalau yang ini bukan Sabah Tourism Board lah, kalau yang macam product or services yang mau hire us lah.
Kalau Sabah Tourism Board, imagine the revenue we generating, bringing people in,
bringing Singaporean in lah kan. Direct lah Singaporean in.
Apalagi kalau kita cakap kau pergi sini murah tapi sebenarnya mahal. That's scam sudah tu.
Itu scam shit. We cannot do that, man. But okay, on a serious note,
yes sir,
listeners yang macam Singaporean ataupun orang daripada luar Indonesia, waduh bapa-bapa, ibu-ibu lagi mau nongkrong lagi itu datang ke Sabah gitu. Kita lalukan, jangan risau, di sini selamat. Di Sabah ini adalah tempat yang sangat indah.
Yes,
sangat menarik. Dan kita ada Gunung Kinabalu. Gunung Kinabalu ni adalah gunung yang tertinggi di Asia Tenggara.
Yes sir.
Dan it always like macam whenever kau nampak Gunung Baru, kau macam ada sejuk sikit kan.
Yes,
walaupun
betul.
tengah driving kau tengok, shit man, calm.
Betul.
It calm you down. Macam bukan lagu calm down kan.
Calm down.
Yeah. So
tapi for real man.
Yeah.
My drive to school every day, I saw in back of my mirror, it's a clear Gunung Kinabalu punya shape. It calms me down every single time.
And then it clearly kasih clear your mind yang macam, dude, you're going to Singapore, you need money.
Ya. Kita tinggal tu gunung kan. Dunia siapa ini?
Well, we really hope.
Everything
we really
go well.
hope ada kemasukan lagi lah. Because we're playing this Friday, and this podcast is going to come out while we are in Singapore this Sunday.
Yeah, man.
And we are so excited to go to Singapore.
Yeah, man.
And whoever listening to the podcast, kalau orang bilang kamu wanna work with us and wanna we can seriously promote your product and service, no worries, seriously.
Yeah, we have the capability. And for those who are listening and you like our podcast, please share it to your friends.
Yes,
your
thank us.
family.
Janganlah malu-malu. Ada kamu tu dengar. Dari siapa lah yang 24,000 tu.
Yeah. Ada proof.
Proof ba ada ba. Sudah hantar analytics ba. But I don't know. I haven't heard from them yet. But you also are doing on kita punya profile, proper profile, and we hope we can do a video profile as well.
Yeah, hopefully I can finish it. Hopefully.
But dear Sabah Tourism Board,
open letter kan
open letter. Ini open speech. We want to work with you guys closely. We really want to contribute more on Sabah punya revenue on tourism specifically.
That's true.
Tidak kira lah dari segi places of interest ataupun wildlife ataupun the program yang ada sini. Kita ada banyak idea. We have so many ideas in terms of probably program ataupun festival ke apa we can work with.
We are willing to travel.
To generate more, orang bilang, investors to come over. For example, kita adakan TikTok Festival, World TikTok Festival, International Festival, maybe in KK. Bringing them all those brands coming over to do open their booth and everything. Bring down all these TikTokers yang besar-besar ni to perform ke, to highlight and everything.
That's true.
We have a lot. Bukan itu saja all type of festival, musical festivals, YouTube festival, many things lah yang orang bilang boleh bantu kita punya Sabah ni. But talk to us, call us. Let's work this shit out, man.
Yeah, let's meet up and sort it out.
Yes, dan podcast kali ini adalah dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Zat, minuman buatan formulasi terkini. Kau tengok ini Zat ni adalah company Singapore tau.
Yeah.
So Singapore company yang tajak kami. And for now, why not kita punya sabahan sendiri? Yes, diperkayakan dengan pelbagai khasiat. Zat minuman botani pasti akan membuat anda, membantu anda kekal aktif dan meningkatkan kecergasan dalam melakukan rutin harian anda seperti rutin harian saya.
Dan saya juga. Zat minuman botani sesuai untuk seisi keluarga.
Ya.
Satu botol Zat.
That was my line, right? Okay.
I stole it from you. So harga satu botol Zat adalah RM65 saja. Kalau kau mau murah lagi ada diskaun RM5 dengan menggunakan kod kami, iaitu kod KINABALU. Dan layari laman web mereka di www.myluster.com.my untuk membeli sekarang. Ikuti mereka di FB atau IG @zat.sehat. WhatsApp mereka di 017-512-3401. Saya ulangi, 017-512-3401 untuk order sekarang.
Selamat datang ke Singapura. Kita akan dengar podcast ini di Singapura nanti. Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah. Ciao, Chin, ciao. Ciao, Bella, ciao.
Kopi sinangan kumada kayo toing sanan, yoho huguan, ontok timpu diki, makimangaw kau Kinabalu Podcast, podcast nomor 1 di Biswang Pemogonan Sabah.